Hi everyone, it's Denise and Ethan here from Red Toys Reviewed. Today we have 6 Play-Doh surprise eggs. Ethan's made them up for us and I don't know what could be in them. This is so exciting. I think I'm going to start with the green one. Can you see we have a blue one, a red one, a yellow one, a purple one, a pink one. There's the green one. Let's have a look and see what's inside. Oh, who have we got? Oh, it's Rebecca Rabbit from Peppa Pig. Hello everyone. And Rebecca has a blue dress on, little black boots, and some green Play-Doh on her face and her dress. We'll just clean that up. Rebecca Rabbit. There we go. What colour do you think we should do next? I think I might try for this purple one here. This looks very, very mysterious. Oh, there's somebody in there. Who could it be? Is it Pedro Pony? Pedro the Pony is one of Peppa Pig's friends. There he is. Hello everyone. So we're going to put Pedro over there. What colour? What about that nice blue one beside Rebecca Rabbit? Let's have a look at that. Oh, I've got somebody there. Who have I got? Oh, who's this? Oh, it's George. It's Peppa's little brother, George. Hello, George. Hello, everyone. George has got a bit of oil on his face, and he has a spanner in his pocket and a screwdriver. So I think George has been working on something that he's gotten so dirty. Let's put George down there. Oh, we've only got 3 eggs left. We've got a red egg, a yellow egg, and a pink egg. Let's do the yellow one. Here it is. Ethan's done such a good job on these eggs. Oh, who have we got? Is that Pedro? Is that Pedro Pony again? Oh, it is. Oh, Pedro's also got oil on his face. He's got 2 spanners in his pocket and he's got a ruler. I think he's been helping George to do something. What do you think? Oops, Pedro, let's squeeze you back in there. Oh, there we go. I think we're going to have to do pink next. There's our pink egg. Squeeze him. Oh, have I got a little hand? I've got a little hand there. What else have I got? Oh. And we've got, oh, look, we've got Richard Rabbit. Richard Rabbit. He's Rebecca Rabbit's little brother, isn't he? Let me just get the pink dough off his legs. Oh, that's a little bit better. Richard Rabbit. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. How are you? Richard Rabbit. He looks very happy. And the last egg we've got. And the last egg that we're doing today is the red egg. Let's grab that out of here. Good look at it. Open it. Oh, who's this? Who's this? Oh, look, it's Suzy Sheep. Hello, everyone. Suzy in her lovely purple dress and her black boots. She's so happy to see everyone today. Let's put Suzy over there. So there we are, children. We've opened our 6 eggs and we found 6 characters from Peppa Pig. We have George. We have Suzy Sheep. We have Rebecca Rabbit. We have Pedro Pony with his mechanic suit on. We have Richard Rabbit. And we have Pedro Pony when he's just playing normally. Thank you so much for opening up these surprise eggs with me. I had a lovely time. It's Denise and Ethan here from Red Toys Reviewed. Please subscribe. See you again soon. Bye.